Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications and expand them, where you will then see this pencil icon. Click on it and this will display toggles that are not normally visible. And scrolling down, we should be able to find somewhere screen recording. And this is already added. Oh no, it looks like it's added. Oh, there we go. So it looks like it's on a second page. Now you can hold it. Or it looks like holding it doesn't do anything. Let's tap on an arrow. Okay, we don't have much options here. Normally you could hold some of the toggles and they take you to the settings. We have a little bit more control over it, but it looks like here we got basically nothing. So you can either record audio, just in general, record it or not record it, and then drop down we also have options for recording either the device audio, microphone, or both. So you can choose whichever one you want, and then also show touches on the screen, which will just record on the screen a semi-transparent grayish dot that shows where you have been pressing the display. Anyway, from here we can select start. This will do a countdown and then start recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. And once you're done, when you pull down the notifications, you will find this little thing right here. So click on stop, and this will then save your video recording, screen recording, to your gallery application or photos. Looks like it's photos here. So let's open it up. And you should be able to find it somewhere. So it looks like the actual screen recordings aren't shown in the Photos tab. So we will need to navigate into Library. And in here, let's see where it is. Yeah, so it looks like it's in movies for some reason, and this is the screen recording. So there we go, that is how you can record your screen, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.